Hey there guys, PC Guy here, and I thought I'd give you a little update on our little friend.
Well, I thought I would keep you guys up to speed with how the upgrade on desk is going. It's all running pretty smoothly. I will do a bit of a longer video to go in further detail on what changed and how it's behaving lately with temperatures and all that. So far, so good. Anyway, I kind of wanted to do this short video for new people on the channel to have a little of intro to my first modding project. It's the first case that I have built, if you can even call it a case. I'm planning more in the future, including a short series of how to design one, how to plan for one, and what you should take in mind in designing, as well as an example of me basically designing one in a 3D model for you guys to see how it's done and what you should keep in mind. So stay tuned. I will be starting with that series soon enough. And hopefully, I will be building more of these desks and I will be recording the process as it goes so you guys can see basically uh, how to bring one of these desks to life if you guys would like to plan one for yourselves. So stay tuned and make sure to check the rest of the other videos if you're a new subscriber. I have a lot of content to offer already and there will be always more to come, and I'll be trying to keep it steady at a few videos per week to keep you guys entertained and with something to watch. So hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Hope you guys end up with nice desks if you do go that avenue of making a desk for yourselves, and good luck with your modding projects if you go that way. In any case, hope you enjoy the channel and see you guys in the next videos.